增加，增加，增加。
increase, add,
increase,
add.
我们可以通过阅读书籍、报纸、杂志、博客等来增加知识。我们可以通过阅读书籍、报纸、杂志、博客等来增加知识。我们可以通过阅读书籍、报纸、杂志、博客等来增加知识。
We can increase our knowledge by reading books, newspapers, magazines, blogs, etc.
We can increase our knowledge by reading books, newspapers, magazines, blogs, etc.
这本漫画增加了一些搞笑的内容。这本漫画增加了一些搞笑的内容。这本漫画增加了一些搞笑的内容。
This comic adds some hilarious content.
This comic adds some hilarious content.
怀孕期间，孕妇一定要增加营养。怀孕期间，孕妇一定要增加营养。怀孕期间，孕妇一定要增加营养。
During pregnancy, pregnant women must increase nutrition.
During pregnancy, pregnant women must increase nutrition.
文章，文章，文章。
Article, essay, writings,
Article, essay,
writings.
阅读幽默的文章可以使心情轻松起来。阅读幽默的文章可以使心情轻松起来。阅读幽默的文章可以使心情轻松起来。
Reading humorous articles can lighten your mood.
Reading humorous articles can lighten your mood.
多读、多写、多看，你的文章自然就会写得好。多读、多写、多看，你的文章自然就会写得好。多读、多写、多看，你的文章自然就会写得好。
Read more, write more, and read more, and your essays will naturally become better.
Read more, write more, and read more, and your essays will naturally become better.
我不认识这篇文章的作者。我不认识这篇文章的作者。我不认识这篇文章的作者。
I don't know the author of this article.
I don't know the author of this article.
之
Particle, connecting the modifier in the word modified.
Particle, connecting the modifier in the word modified.
阅读是增加知识最有效的方法之一。阅读是增加知识最有效的方法之一。阅读是增加知识最有效的方法之一。
Reading is one of the most effective ways to increase knowledge.
Reading is one of the most effective ways to increase knowledge.
牡丹是花中之王。牡丹是花中之王。牡丹是花中之王。
Peony is the king of flowers.
Peony is the king of flowers.
吃完晚饭之后，他就去散步。吃完晚饭之后，他就去散步。吃完晚饭之后，他就去散步。
After dinner, he went for a walk.
After dinner, he went for a walk.
内容，内容，内容。
Content.
Content.
我喜欢这本杂志的原因之一是内容丰富。我喜欢这本杂志的原因之一是内容丰富。我喜欢这本杂志的原因之一是内容丰富。
One of the reasons I love this magazine is the rich content.
One of the reasons I love this magazine is the rich content.
这些书都是专门给孩子看的，内容很简单。这些书都是专门给孩子看的，内容很简单。这些书都是专门给孩子看的，内容很简单。
These books are specially designed for children and the content is very simple.
These books are specially designed for children and the content is very simple.
这本漫画内容简单，幽默又好笑。这本漫画内容简单，幽默又好笑。这本漫画内容简单，幽默又好笑。
The content of this comic is simple, humorous and funny.
The content of this comic is simple, humorous and funny.
然而，然而，然而，
However. But.
However. But.
他表示会尽快解决问题，然而，直到今天，这个问题仍然存在。他表示会尽快解决问题，然而，直到今天，这个问题仍然存在。他表示会尽快解决问题，然而，直到今天，这个问题仍然存在。
He said that the problem would be solved as soon as possible, however, to this day, the problem still exists.
He said that the problem would be solved as soon as possible, however, to this day, the problem still exists.
他原本决定出国留学，然而由于种种原因，他改变了主意。他原本决定出国留学，然而由于种种原因，他改变了主意。他原本决定出国留学，然而由于种种原因，他改变了主意。
He originally decided to study abroad, but due to various reasons, he changed his mind.
He originally decided to study abroad, but due to various reasons, he changed his mind.
他很有钱，然而生活简单朴素。他很有钱，然而生活简单朴素。他很有钱，然而生活简单朴素。
He is very rich, but lives a simple life.
He is very rich, but lives a simple life.
看法，看法，看法。
View. Opinion.
View. Opinion.
我不同意他的看法。我不同意他的看法。我不同意他的看法。
I don't agree with him.
I don't agree with him.
别太在意别人对你的看法。别太在意别人对你的看法。别太在意别人对你的看法。
Don't care too much about what others think of you.
Don't care too much about what others think of you.
你的看法很好，值得考虑。你的看法很好，值得考虑。你的看法很好，值得考虑。
Your opinion is a good one and worth considering.
Your opinion is a good one and worth considering.
谢谢观看。